Let's move on to the exercises related to vocabulary section. First question is, pick out words from the poem which mean the same as the following. First part is extremely noisy. इसके लिए जो word same meaning रखता है वो है roaring. Second part is to be broken violently and noisily into pieces, and the word for it is smashing. C part is to make something level by using a rake. इसके लिए word है raking. D part is to make something turn rapidly round and round a central point. इसके लिए word है हमारे पास spinning. And then E part is lasting or existing forever, and the word for it is eternal. F part is to speak or say something quietly using only the one's breath so that only the people closest to one can hear. So इसके लिए word है whisper. Moving on to second exercise related to vocabulary section, and it is of give synonyms for each of the following words. First word is roaring. इसका synonym होगा हमारे पास howl. Second word is smashing, and synonym for it is crush. Third word is spinning, and its synonym is revolve. Fourth word is stillness, and its synonym is windlessness या motionlessness. Last word is core, and its synonym is center. Let's move on to C part of vocabulary section. और ये question है, which word in each pair below has the more positive connotation to you? Circle your answer. So we have words जिसका meaning same है but connotation different होगी. Thrifty, penny pinching में से thrifty के साथ positive connotation है. Second is pushy या aggressive. इसमें aggressive के साथ positive connotation है. And then we have politician, statesman. इसमें statesman के साथ positive connotation है. Then we have chef, cook. Chef के साथ positive connotation है. Then we have slender, skinny. Slender के साथ positive connotation है. Let's move on to next exercise, which is of choose the appropriate connotations. First is, which would you rather be called? A, thrifty, B, cheap. So it's A option, thrifty, because it's more polite and have positive connotation. Second is, which is more serious? A, problem, B, disaster. It's disaster, it's B option. Third is, which is more polite? A, sip a drink, B, gulp it. So it's A, sip a drink. Fourth is, which would you be if you hadn't eaten for several days? A, hungry, B, starving. It's B, starving. Fifth is, which would you be after a walk in the mud? A, filthy, B, dirty. It's B, dirty. Let's move on to E part related to vocabulary section, and it is explain the following idioms and find their Urdu equivalent. So first is, it is no use crying over spilt milk. इसका क्या meaning होता है? It means it's of no use crying or regretting over something that has already been happened and which cannot be changed or cannot be undone. So इसका उर्दू में मुहावरा है, अब पछताए क्या हवत जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. Second idiom is, do not put off till tomorrow what you can do today. इसका मतलब होता है, do not delay, prolong, or procrastinate to do any task which you can finish or accomplish today. Procrastinate का मतलब होता है ताख़ीर करना. So इसका उर्दू में मुहावरा होगा, आज का काम कल पर ना छोड़ो. Third idiom is, out of the frying pan into the fire. इसका मतलब होता है, this idiom is said when one wants to get out of a bad situation but in trying to do so gets stuck in even worse situation. So उर्दू में इसका मुहावरा है, आसमान से गिरा खजूर में अटका. Fourth idiom is, out of sight, out of mind. It is said to emphasize that when something or someone cannot be seen, it is easy to forget it or forget that person. So इसका उर्दू में मुहावरा है, आँख ओझल पहाड़ ओझल. Fifth is, as you sow, so shall you reap. It is used to mean that the way you behave in life will affect the treatment you will receive from others. इसका उर्दू में मुहावरा होता है, जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे. Thank you.